Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're out here in Florida and it's time. We have 4 minutes left before this beautiful 2021 Stingray is playing and we want to take it home. All right guys, so right after this Mercedes is playing, Corvette is gonna go live. I already pre-bid it and I'm winning it at $40,000, but hey, it's a $100,000 car. I know it's a lot. I mean, you're gonna call a friend, a cousin, get some money, whatever, you know, you're gonna borrow some, no big deal, but we're gonna get this thing. Hopefully, I mean, honestly, because I didn't see any water inside, it looked like it's still a risk because we don't know. So it's definitely kind of heart, you know, pounding, but man.
But at least we did our homework. We checked out the car.
We checked it out, yeah. You know. I didn't see any water inside. It is salvaged out, 2 water damage. Dang, but it's not run and drive, no miles, no information on it. We're kind of crossing our fingers here, guys.
What do you think the mileage is?
Probably low. I mean, it's a 2021. This is definitely a Sunday car. I don't think people are daily driving it, but
you never know.
Man, come on, Mercedes, let it go. Nobody cares. I mean, it's still a nice Mercedes, guys. 2014, pretty cool, but hey, I didn't check it out. We're not touching that. We're just out here and woo, it's looking good in my garage. I don't have a garage yet.
You're building a garage.
Building a garage.
It's gonna go inside the unbuilt garage.
Yeah.
So instead of doing frame on your house, you use this car?
I'm kind of out here, yeah. Not gonna lie, yeah. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Bonus time. Never mind. Woo-wee. Come on, let's go. I'm even way more stoked than the Mustang. Not gonna lie, guys. The last time I was here, I got the Mustang, the white one, and now we're out here for the Stingray. It's so funny because we're checking out some campers and I had the Stingray on there, a little poster of it. Isn't that the camper we bought?
I think so.
What the? It's a sign. It's a sign, Ivan. We're supposed to have it. Okay, this thing was about to go, and then now we're doing bonus time. Here we go, guys. All right, we're winning at 40,000. Bid place. Mexico, get out of here. New Jersey. It has begun. I have no idea how much it's gonna go for, but I obviously have a cap. It's worth a lot of money.
What is it at now?
Ooh, it's not looking good. 44,000, 45,000. People are going crazy on it. Okay, maybe I was excited for no reason. Dang, guys. 46, 47. Wow, guys. 48. It's not even slowing down. Throw it in there, whatever. 48.5. Sure. 49. Oh, not my cap. 50 is my cap, so.
What's one more click, Michael?
$250. One more click is another $250, but you know, at this price, it's like 50K. I'm winning at 50,000. I mean, that's right there, but bid. Now they're every single time it's $500 increments. Every click, so we're 50,500.
Are we winning or?
We were winning, but now we're losing. 51.5, guys, that's it. I am maxed out on the money, but I really want it. It's just such a risk though. What do you say, Evan? Click it?
Click it.
52. 52.5. I'm going against 52.5. Ah, Ohio, get out of here, Ohio. I'm gonna call a friend, get some more money. I want this thing. $55,000, guys. What a gamble from Ohio. They didn't even look at it. I mean, that's crazy, you know? I mean, I don't know. They may have flown down here too. Dang, guys. 55 grand. Ohio wants it.
What's one more click?
I'm already 5 grand over my budget. Dang, there's a lot of money. Just me and Ohio going back and forth. What are we doing, Ivan?
Keep going.
56,500. This is insane, guys. Ohio's going. I mean, either way, I'm bidding him up.
It is a pure sale, right?
It is a pure sale. So this is it, guys. This, whatever we click on, this is the end. Oh my goodness, let it go, Ohio. We could have got it for so much cheaper.
It's usually like that though.
I'm running out of money, y'all. 58,500 bonus time. We're winning at 58,500 bonus time. It's a lot of money, but at the same time, this thing's worth a lot, and it's still a risk. No miles, no nothing, and oh my goodness, we just won a 2021 Stingray, flooded. Yay! Oh boy, I hope I just made a good decision. This could go both ways. Awesome deal or a landmine. We guys, so excited. So we finally paid for the C8, the Corvette, the Stingray. We had to go to a bank, then we had to go to a different Copart yard because you can't actually pay here. It was too much for the e-pay kind of thing. It definitely took time, about 3 hours going back and forth since we actually bought this thing, and we still don't know if it's gonna run. I mean, this is a risk. We're definitely gambling here with a lot of money, but hey, it's an educated guess kind of thing. Man, but I think we got ourselves a good deal. So $53,000. A lot of money, $3,000 over my budget. I wanted to stop at 5, but you know, 50,000. But I was like, let's go, and I was like, whatever. So definitely a risk, but we actually seen another one, similar year, similar make, everything, but it was a rent and drive, but with a destruction title. So you can't actually get it on the road, and that thing went for $60,000. So we got ours for 53 with a title. Seen somebody else go $60,000 with a destruction title. So I don't even know what you're gonna do with that thing. It's gonna be a nightmare trying to get it figured out. I don't know how you're gonna get it back on the road, honestly. I don't know who decides what makes it a salvage or destruction, maybe the DMV or their insurance kind of thing, but I'm excited, guys. Hopefully we put power to it and it starts. That would be the best case scenario. Worst case, it doesn't start, then we're kind of stuck, because I want to drive this thing home. That's my ticket home, you know. I mean, we checked it out.
Worst case scenario, we leave it here.
We leave it here, we're gonna get it towed. Resell it maybe, I don't even know what we're gonna do, but best case, it starts, no issues, and we drive it 600 miles back to South Carolina. Like I said, we looked at it, it looked good, but it's hard to say. All right, guys, exciting times. We got the jump box with us, so basically now it is our car, our problem. We want to put it in neutral and get it out of the yard, but let's put some power to it. Let's see if we could open the hood, let's check the oil kind of thing, because we weren't able to do a lot to it before, so the suspense, I don't know, guys. Woo, it'd be exciting. Hopefully it starts, hopefully everything's okay, but man, that thing is a beast and it looks great. All right, guys, so this is where the battery's gonna be. Watch a lot of YouTube videos. So there it is.
Probably really expensive.
Let's keep that safe. All these parts, got our jump box. Let's open that up. And here it is. We got power. We got lights. Woo. Let's see if we can.
Let's see if it's got what kind of mileage.
Yeah. Let's see the mileage. I have no idea. Lights are on. Ooh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
Key's still in there, right?
Yes. Yes. We got a key.
Just click on it. It's got 6,000 miles.
6,000 miles?
I noticed things before you do, buddy.
Is this 6,000 miles?
Yeah, that's sweet.
Okay, what? I just hit the button again. I mean, I want
click on it once.
The jump box. That thing's not that much fun. It actually stops. Yes!
That's crazy.
Dang. Yeah, 6,000 miles.
I guess let it run. Let's find a tow hook and tow this thing out of here.
Wow.
All right, Michael, what do you think so far?
Dude, it's amazing. Guys, this is awesome. I think there's some, you know, it's been really dead, so we gotta do the initial startup kind of thing. It says open, then close driver window. So I'm gonna do that initial. I think it's a security.
I think it actually senses it and calibrates it for one touch up and one touch down. But any lights on the dash?
No lights on the dash. Oil, engine, we're gonna check all the fluids. We were trying to get the top open because it is a convertible, but it should be able to do it. They say even when you're driving, so I don't know, guys. How do I do that?
I don't know, you gotta figure it out, buddy.
Dang. This is sick. We're gonna figure it out, All right, guys, there we go. First thing we did was replace the battery and get the top going. It's working beautiful. So basically you just hit the lock button and then this button, I guess, and it'll open up the hood scoop. I'm still learning, watching a lot of YouTube videos. Don't know how exactly how it works. Pretty sure lock. Let me hit the row, but we checked the oil on it and it was doing good. Maybe unlock and then this. Still learning, guys, but it worked nicely a second ago. But beautiful car for sure. I'm gonna get all the numbers off there and let's drive back. I mean, so far, no lights in the dash. Oil was good. We actually scanned this thing. It's doing great.
So we got razor blades, some glass cleaner.
Yeah, we're gonna take off all the numbers and stuff, clean it off a little bit. Looking good. Definitely the highest package LT3, which is awesome.
I mean, do you think it's going to make the road trip?
We're praying. So far, really blessed. So I don't see why not. Like when I drove the Mustang, I heard a little noise. This one, no noise at all. Very smooth so far, which is amazing. And we're about to put it to the test, guys.
I just don't see why it's a Stingray R.
I think it's for racing. He's got the racing on the hubcaps of the wheels and stuff. Maybe some kind of package. I don't know, guys. Yeah, let us know some comments below what that means. Racing R. All right, guys, so we did our quick checks. Like I said, we checked the fluids on it, air pressure, it's all good. Let's go ahead and hit the road and just start driving our road trip. We'll pull over later once we hit on the main road. Right now it's a bunch of little back roads and stuff, but let's see what happens. So should be able to remote start this thing. Checked our bat. Our battery's still pretty bad. That was the main problem, but there it is. Let's hit the road. Man, it feels like we've just been doing this before, but hey, we're going at it. But she is driving great. Honestly, I'm stoked about it. Smooth, alignment's good. Kind of let go of the wheels, driving straight. So many little features I'm figuring out about it as I'm going. It's pretty sweet. The mirror has like a little camera inside. You just flip it, boom, switches over to a full like display screen. It's pretty sweet. A lot of little things I don't even know about, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill up and keep going, keep riding. No lights, nothing warning, nothing sounding weird. Everything's sounding really nice. And
what about the transmission?
It's been shifting great. I mean, the paddle shift works great, automatic. It actually goes from the V4 to the V8 automatically, so you're saving gas when you're cruising, and then like when somebody pulls up to you, starts revving, it automatically goes and got the power.
I saw that Camaro pull up.
Yeah, it came, just came out of nowhere, and I was like, okay, just said hi, I didn't see him again, but pretty good.
You saw him in your rear view mirror?
With the, with the camera. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, it's got a camera, I don't even know where, somewhere there.
It was on the top.
I think so. But I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up and keep going. We still have many hours to go, but we are going on this road trip. Very fun road trip, not gonna lie. This is fun. Great power. Nice. Whew, just keep going. Wow, guys, there we go. It's the next morning. Made it back to the shop with the C8 Corvette. Man, what a ride. Definitely feeling blessed that nothing went wrong. Nothing was, no issues at all. What a fun drive. 10 hours, but hey, that was actually a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. So many options, so many little features on it, and a lot of power. So happy to be back. Let's go ahead and wash it because it's definitely dirty after the long road trip, but it's looking good. Definitely dirty. I'll wash it right out. All right, guys, I went ahead and just rinsed it off real quick. Why not? Can't be riding dirty on that thing. Whew, so nice. But unfortunately, that's all the time for this episode. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna get this thing taken apart. I wanna make sure there's no water damage inside. Might even take it to the dealership, let them do their used car inspection. There's like a 180-point inspection they'll do once we're done with it too. Make sure everything's good. But for now, we're just gonna relax. We're tired. Definitely a good old road trip, but I feel like we got a win. Hopefully find another gem. It looks great, and we made it home. So make sure to leave some comments below. Do you think it was a good buy? Is this our first supercar, or is this still not considered a supercar? definitely the most expensive car we bought so far, so I'm excited. Thanks guys, thanks for joining us on the journey. See you next time.